Polar Smart Coaching helps athletes of all fitness levels reach their goals with truly actionable guidance based on their personal metrics. With decades of innovation and scientific research to back it up, we literally know you by heart. Polar Smart Coaching helps you train better and to find the right balance between training and recovery. Polar Smart Coaching turns your training and activity data from raw numbers into personalized, actionable guidance. It goes everywhere with you on your Polar Sport Watch and in Polar Flow, the ultimate online training platform, which supports your personal goals and lifestyle as an athlete. For us, it's all about you every day. Working towards your training goals is more motivating when you track your progress. Whether you want to monitor your training load, improve your running performance, or learn how your workouts affect your body, Polar Smart Coaching helps you train smarter. Making progress and achieving goals is about balancing training and recovery. Polar Smart Coaching offers you tools that help you keep track of your recovery day and night and guide you towards the right balance. A balanced lifestyle isn't just about training. It involves staying active throughout your day. With Polar Smart Coaching, you learn how your daily choices benefit your overall health and well-being. No matter what your goal is, Polar Smart Coaching helps you train smarter with personalized guidance.